Imagine biting down on something and losing one of your teeth. For humans, that's a pretty big problem. But for a crocodile, it's completely different. A crocodile can lose a tooth and have another one developing underneath it. And this can happen again and again throughout its life. So how does a crocodile manage to keep replacing its teeth? Crocodiles don't use their teeth the way humans do. They aren't designed for carefully chewing food. Instead, crocodile teeth are primarily used for grabbing, holding, and tearing prey. And that's a tough job. When a crocodile grabs a struggling animal, enormous forces can be placed on its teeth. Teeth can become worn down. They can break. And some can simply be lost. But crocodiles have an incredible solution. They can continually replace them. Inside a crocodile's jaw are developing replacement teeth. When an older tooth is lost or reaches the end of its useful life, a replacement tooth can move into position. The process is part of a continuous cycle of tooth development and replacement. Instead of having one permanent set of teeth like humans, crocodiles can go through multiple generations of teeth during their lives. It's almost like having a backup tooth waiting behind the one you're using. Here's what makes this really impressive. Crocodiles don't simply replace their teeth once. They can repeat the process many times. As one tooth is lost, another can take its place. And the tooth that replaces it can eventually be replaced too. This allows crocodiles to maintain a functional set of teeth despite the damage and wear they experience over time. It's a biological replacement system built directly into their jaws. Think about the crocodile's lifestyle. It spends much of its time in water, can wait patiently for prey, and when the opportunity comes, can explode into action. Its teeth need to be ready. A crocodile can't exactly visit a dentist when one breaks. So natural selection favored animals that could keep replacing teeth as they were damaged or lost. The result is one of the most impressive dental systems in the animal kingdom. Humans have two major sets of teeth. Our baby teeth eventually fall out and are replaced by adult teeth. After that, we don't normally grow a new replacement tooth if we lose one. Crocodiles are very different. Their jaws contain the biological machinery needed to keep producing replacement teeth. So while humans have to protect the teeth we have, crocodiles have evolved a system that allows them to keep cycling through new ones. And this is why a crocodile's mouth can look so different from ours. At almost any moment, there can be developing replacement teeth inside the jaw. The crocodile doesn't need to wait until it's completely toothless before growing new ones. The process is continuous. Old teeth are lost. New teeth develop. And the cycle continues. So the next time you see a crocodile opening its mouth, take a closer look at those teeth. Some of them may not be there forever. But that's okay. Because somewhere beneath them, another tooth may already be waiting. For a crocodile, losing a tooth isn't necessarily a disaster. It's just another step in a lifelong replacement system. Crocodile. Subscribe to Did You Know Daily for more fascinating animal facts.